Welcome to Module 3 of our Intermediate Financial Accounting course. This module, another weird one, another review module, this time on the time value of money, so finance type calculations. So this course, Intermediate Financial Accounting, expects you to know some time value of money calculations, and this chapter is for those of you who are like me, who show up to class and you go, I forgot everything. So it's meant to be a review for those folks. If you kind of think you know it, you should be zipping through this, maybe watching everything at 2 times speed or just zooming through this section because you're like, I know my present values very well. But if you're like me, you're like, I forgot everything, this module should be helpful. Really, 4 key calculations we're going to need to put together this chapter. A couple related to lump sums, future value and present value of lump sums. And you can see we're going to solve this multiple ways. The key way, I think, is by formula and just by using an old-fashioned scientific calculator. So future value, present value of lump sum, future value, present value of annuities. And annuities are really at the heart of this. They're the trickiest concept, and annuities are those recurring cash flows over time. And you're saying, if I get, $100,000 a year for the next 10 years, what's that worth today? And that's what present value of an annuity will tell you. And present value of a lump sum is if I get $1 million 10 years from now, what's that worth today? This one lump sum backed up to today's dollars. And if those, just my talking about that, you're like, I pretty much know how to do this. You're going to do fine in this chapter. You can really zip through it. But if you're like, little shaky for me, you might want to tune in. So we'll first do it by hand, but we're actually going to solve this 3 ways. We'll first do it by hand. Then I'll show you how to use a financial calculator. And really this row of the finance calculator is the key row where we input information related to our annuities and present value, and I'll teach you how to do that. And last, I'll show you how to do it in Excel, where we're doing things like formulas, equals, PV, open bracket, and then some numbers in there. I'll show you how to do this in Excel. It's really going to depend on your class. Different professors approach time value of money calculations in different ways, but by the end of this, you should have a solid understanding no matter which way your professor uses. And like I said, if this stuff is easy for you, really zoom through it. We get into sort of fresh non-review material in the next chapter. But module 3 is a great module and it's an important one. And if you're like me and forgot everything, I think you're going to find it useful. Anyway, judge it for yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. The next video in our series is right up here, and if you want a supercut of all of the videos in this series, that's the one down below.